बाल पूरे चिपक रहे हैं। ठीक है, एक बार ओ वीडियो रिकॉर्ड पे थी। So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is and yes, disappeared. Hi guys, my name is Drishti and you are watching Drishti Maheshwari's vlog. So basically after almost 1.5 years, so I'm uploading this video and sharing all of my journey. So why I quit the YouTube and also let's start some this thing because I have to go to some dinner sort of thing tonight while having some general talk because this is quite very emotional and very close or personal to me. So let's get I started my YouTube on Jan 10th 2024 with like dreams in my eyes and energy in my soul. So I uploaded a few videos. The response was quite warm and encouraging, but suddenly I ghosted it. I disappeared. You probably wondering why. I wasn't ready, not just in terms of like gear or editing. I wasn't like mentally ready or prepared to do things. So I was like fighting some battles on my own that I could only see like there are so much of self-doubt, burnout, the pressure of perfection, honesty, like life just got seriously too loud to me during that time when I started a video because I had only uploaded almost like 10-15 short videos because I remember I had taken a challenge and I didn't delete it out any video or from there, and I don't want to delete it because it's of course it's a part and parcel of your life. So yes, I started it and I stopped it. I suddenly ghosted it. And now again I'm coming back, so I'm starting it again. So because life just go on, right? So basically in 2023 I had completed my masters and of course I got my dream college because I struggled it very hard to get into that. And yeah, I'm gold medalist from there, cracked the entrance exam. I thought that I had it all figured out, but then suddenly the reality check came in and reality knocked me, like literally reality knocked me, like knock, and it wasn't gentle. The main thing which happened with me during that time was a societal thing. Like I heard things like society started whispering, well, like screaming, job kab karegi, like शादी कब करेगी बेटा, अब तो एज भी हो रही है, you should get married with the age and have the kids, like that. Literally at that point of a time I was struggling just to breathe in. I was struggling to breathe at that moment of a time, and society is putting a pressure on me to get a job, get married, and everything, and every other thing. So, yeah, basically, I was caught in a tornado of expectations with the like job versus passion, dream versus duty, career versus marriage, and trust me, it was exhausting. I just need a pause, not just from YouTube. I would say I need a pause from like everything which I do. I need a pause from it. It happens with you as well, I might think. Like sometimes we confuse a pause with a failure, right? So I did it too, and I thought maybe it's just it isn't for me. Maybe just it isn't for me, and maybe I'm not good enough. So I stepped back. That YouTube thing is not for me as well. I couldn't even fulfilling those expectations and all. And the reason like I didn't quit because I didn't love doing it, so I paused because I needed to find myself again with the thing, like what exactly I am doing and what exactly I wanted to do in life. And but this pause gave me one thing very beautiful happened with this pause. Like I was amidst the confusion and I found a clarity, and in that clarity I found my soulmate. And yup, life plot twisted and I got married. Basically I got rookified in July 24, got engaged in November, and yes, got married in April this year 25. So like the girl who literally don't know what to upload now, doing the planning for her wedding thing. So yeah, I was planning my wedding and everything. This pause taught me more than I guess this YouTube upload or any life struggle could have taught me. So, what exactly the productive healing is from your thought, and what exactly I want in my life, because but I did it, and societal expectations of getting married, I did it, and but still somewhere I'm so much lost, like what exactly I'm doing or that. Then setting a comeback. Now I am back, not perfect but present, not flawless, of course, but fearless. So, if you have ever taken a break and if you have ever felt like you have lost your way, so I feel that taking a pause is good enough than taking a wrong decisions in your life, and that's what I thought. And sometimes coming back is the bravest thing you can do. Sometimes like coming back is something not like a coward thing, or it's a fail, because I also started thinking myself that, oh no, yaar, up to I failed in the race of life. Just see where the people are going, just see what exactly they are doing and what exactly I am doing. The people around me are literally so much talented, and I'm like, bhai, what I'm doing, बहुत ज़्यादा I feel like कि भाई मैं क्या कर रही हूँ and all. But yeah, if you guys have also felt like this in your ever in your life, like what exactly I am doing. I used to like apply liner like this only because is तो I can do it very firmly, but this I it literally give me a crack, and I never apply liner perfectly. Seriously, this is a true fact, I would say. मैं नहीं apply कर पाती हूँ, मेरे से गड़बड़ होती ही है इस आर्ट पे. And of course, thank God I have this decent husband who know how to apply eyeliner on the eye, so he do this thing with for me. Bhai, now this is the time, because in the meanwhile pause, I discussed with my partner that like I have some dream, because after my marriage, I just stopped thinking about myself, and my partner has given me this thinking, hi, what are you doing it? You have certain dreams and you want to fulfill those dreams. So what are you doing? You have to go and fulfill all those dreams. Then I realized, yes, I have something on my own to do. And about myself, and if you have ever feel like that you are also stuck in your path or in your journey, and from this movement we are like together. So like, thank you for still being here, and if you are new to this channel, or if you are new to this thing, so welcome to the new chapter. The real story should begins now. Thank you.